Solving exponential equations using logarithms. So this is the beginnings of just solving exponential equations, is the basics. We are going to be doing these with logarithms. So these are ones that we can't come up with what 72 raised to a power, or 19 raised to a power to equal 72. So these are the ones that are going to be a little bit more complicated. So the first step is going to be converted into a logarithm. So it's log base 19 of 72 equals x. So now we're going to go back to that change of base formula that we learned a couple of lessons ago. So log of your bigger number divided by log of your base is equal to x. Type this in your calculator, and remember you can do these in just your basic cell phone calculator. And when you type those in, you come up with approximately 1.4525. And we're going to round out to the nearest 10,000th on all of these today. So I want you to try to do this one on your own. So again, we had to fish it, and we end up with log of 63 divided by log of 15, which is approximately 1.5299. So now we have a little bit more complicated. We have something being multiplied in our exponent. So we're going to have another step that we have to add in. So first step is still going to be the fishing. So log base 13 of 53 is equal to 10x. Now we're going to convert this into our decimal equivalents by using change of base. So log of 53 divided by log of 13 is equal to 10x. And so log of 53 divided by log of 13 is approximately 1.5479, which is equal to 10x. Now we're going to divide both sides by 10. And we end up with it being approximately 'approximately. I want y'all to work number 4 on your own. 3 to the 5a is equal to 57. So you should have ended up with approximately 0.7360. Let's do this last one, our last set. This is when we have a negative exponent, so that means our answer is going to end up being negative on these. So step 1 is going to be fishing it. So log base 6 of 74 is equal to negative 7v. So log base 10 of 74 divided by log base 10 of 6 is equal to negative 7v. And so when you divide those, you end up with approximately 2.4021. And now we need to divide both sides by negative 7v, or negative 7, excuse me. And so when we divide both sides by negative 7, we end up with a negative 3432 is approximately v. Okay, let's do the last one on your own. So it's going to be 4 to the negative 4x is equal to 14. So you should have had log base 4 of 14 is equal to negative 4x, and we convert that change of base, we get 1.9037 is equal to negative 4x. divide both sides by -4, and we end up with -0.4759.